There are so many different mods out there. People do all sorts of different things. Upgrade the motors, the controllers, the shocks, the appearance. But today, we're showing you how to make the e-bike in your neighborhood. Introducing the bike. Here it is in the package. We gotta build this thing. But before we do that, I'm gonna show you what I got for this bad boy to make it the world's most e-bike on the planet. And this box is what we're gonna use today. This is the most expensive you could get. This cost me $2,000. But I'm not showing you this until we build this bike, and then I'll reveal what's in the box. It's a little bit nice. 2 seats on this thing. Ooh. Fat tires are so nice. This thing comes with 2 batteries and it's fully charged. We got the handlebars on. We're gonna throw a display on. Comment down below what you guys think of these yellow wheels. I love the all black. I mean, that's classy. It's not gonna be classy for long though after this upgrade. Let's get this thing mounted up. Boom! Handlebars on, both batteries installed, seat on, front tire on, pedals mounted. This thing has a full charge. Let's take this bike for a test ride. See how fast we can get it up to right now. 18, we're on mode 5, and we got more gears here, so let's go up. Braking feels good and acceleration feels good. Super smooth, 138 miles on these 2 batteries. That could seriously take you far. Traction feels good. I mean, it's super wet out right now. Tires feel great. I got this huge seat, like I can sit all the way back here. It's nice and stable with no hands. Let's see how it goes on a pedal. Oh, I just did a wheelie. You sketchy, I want to get it. I gotta say, this thing feels dang good. Here we have the $2,000 upgrade. And we're just gonna frickin' dump this thing and see what it is. Okay. We have a controller, a little push button controller. We got a little air compressor here. That's a horn, baby. We bought a flippin' train horn, a mini train horn, semi-truck horn, whatever you wanna call it. And this thing should be freaking super loud. We're gonna get this thing prepped and ready for the modification. We're gonna remove this seat. We have all of this open space on top of the bike. So I need to check and see if it can just run on the 1 battery. We have power with just the 1 battery. So we're gonna leave that vacant so I can put parts inside of there. Have our air compressor, all of our fittings, button right here to start and stop the horn, air tubing. We have all the horns here with the bracket that needs to get drilled. The seat that we are gonna put on, I think this will be plenty big to sit down on. This needs to mount on here just like that. Bingo. Go! That's not going anywhere. I bought this brand new battery. It's been sitting on the charger now. We're just gonna check and see how it fits. This guy can just drop in down here and it's nice and tucked out of the way. I think I can cut this right in half here to go inside of here and create like a little battery box. And this is nice and squishy. Now we need to figure out how to mount this air compressor. Okay, so there is this drain valve here. And if you have it spun this way, it hits the inside there. So when it's spun like this, it does sit inside the rail. Instead of using zip ties or doing something ghetto, we're gonna go legit. We have this metal right here. We have our 2 pieces for the mounting bracket. We got the grinder set up. Let's clean these edges up. Let's drill our holes. A little oil. Pretty dang nice. We got our second one drilled. So now we got to drill holes through this guy. Boom. Ooh, dang, look at that. That's pretty perfect. Let's paint these things. Heater going, paint's drying. Just gonna cut little pieces off of this and put it on this so it doesn't scratch it up. We got our fabric cut. That's gonna keep it from getting scratched up. Let's see if it's dry, and it's looking good. All right, boom. Battery's installed, air compressor's installed. Now we gotta connect all the wiring. Clutch. And then I'll mount the button right here. Dad, you have your sticker on your hat still.
Yeah.
You almost done? Dude. I'm grateful. You got a whole mess of wires going on there. We're putting the power on. When we plug that in, it'll go. We had to unplug this connector because there's no switch. So the compressor will run right away once we have all the power on. So when we're ready, we'll plug this on to fill up the compressor, and then we can press the button. But we're gonna get the seat mounted, and we're gonna make sure this thing's all squared away before we test this thing out. Final secure. The last thing I do is connect the hose, the air hose from the compressor into the horn. The final bolt, nut, fitting. We're almost there.
You're getting scared, aren't you?
I'm excited. This thing looks ridiculous. TST R9 Ultra is truly coming alive here.
We could shorten this a little more. Are these mine, by the way?
Dog, I need those.
They're mine.
I use those every day.
You took this. These are mine.
No.
I keep wondering where my tools go all the time. I couldn't find these.
Really? That's what all your other kids have, like
Who cares about train horns? I need my tools back.
All your other kids take crazy tools from you.
Oh, that's such a bummer. Okay, we already did the train horn one time. What the heck? But old Grandpa Dad wasn't using the record button, so it's freaking loud. We're gonna do it again. So it dropped down. We pressed it one time. Let's just do it. Are you ready?
Oh, man. Dude, that is so loud. And that's just for a moment.
Let's go.
Okay, let's hold it for like 3 seconds. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude. Oh, my ear.
All right, it jumped down to 75 PSI. At what point is this compressor gonna kick on?
That's a good question. It's got some kind of a number it has to get down to before it will.
Okay, so we built it, the world's loudest e-bike. All right, now that both of our eardrums are blown off, we're gonna try this thing out in the cold side. That guy's in there watching TV. Do you think he's gonna look? All right, are we setting it right now?
Oh my gosh. Dude.
That's so bad. Holy crap.
Just go down there a little bit. Go away from me. Okay. And then beep it a few times as you go down.
Okay.
That is crazy.
This is too loud for the neighborhood. That's just flat out. That is so loud. The neighbor's looking in the window. Oh my gosh. We're just gonna go take this out in public and do this. But that's crazy. It's a success.